runner-up. He garnered the score of 93.33% in English and garnered a score of 90.66%, combined with a total of 91.99%. Gamay na lang para mag 92%. Our second runner-up goes to, garnering the average score of 91.99%, goes to performer number. Sino sa banda niyo? Sino? Performer number 7. Wala. Joke lang. Wait pa gani. Performer number, garnering the average score of 91.99%. Our second runner-up goes to performer number 6. Michael Vince Henry. Congratulations. He garnered a 93.33 in English and 90.66 in OPM. Okay, let's proceed to our first runner-up, or our first runner-up garnering the average score of 93.60 in the first round or English round and garner a 93.33% in the OPM in a total of 93.49%. Our first runner-up goes to, sino sa banta niyo ang first runner-up? Ang first runner-up clue, una, may buhok. May buhok sila tanan. Okay, our first runner-up garnering the average score of 93.49%, she or he will be receiving, she na lang galing kay puro na lang bahay, she will be receiving a plaque and a gift certificate in the cash coming from Metro Hinigaran. Our first runner-up goes to performer number 3. Congratulations! And the most anticipated part, the announcement of the first ever Metro Kids Singing Idol 2026. Garnering the average score of 94% sa English and 94.66 in OPM and a total of 94.33%. And our champion, or the first ever Metro Kids Singing Idol 2026 goes to Okay, the audience has already spoken. Our champion is contestant number 2. Congratulations! And for non-winners, para sa amin. Mga namin kamutanan pakanta mo. Okay. Performers, dasig lang gate. Ma-picture ka mo kuno danay, dasig lang. Patunga danay. George Galileo.